Hey there, my friends. Today we are going to talk about clearing your energy and how clearing your energy and space is good for business. Hey there, my friends. This is Kelly Schaefer, the creator of the Concierge Academy, where I help local based businesses make more money, get more clients, and have a greater impact in their communities. And today I am here with an exercise that I want to give you that is right here in the back of my book. So, in one of our previous episodes, I talked about the marketing strategies that are in my book, The Concierge Life. And today I thought, what a fun thing to do to share one of the assignments that is in the back of the book. And it's because I just got done talking to my members of our 100K club earlier this week about having to step into the version of yourself that you are trying to create. And part of that is letting go of the old so that you can make room for the new. So, I'm going to share with you from here, and then I'm going to add some extra bonus activities for you to do. So, cleaning up your workspace. Working in a cluttered, disorganized space can be distracting and cause you to lose focus. Loss of focus negatively impacts your productivity and therefore your income. I've also learned that when we are in a cluttered space, we create clogged energy around us. So put aside at least an hour this week and start purging. By cleaning and clearing out, you open the flow of energy into your home office or your space. Whenever I purge and clean my office, it always brings in new clients because I'm opening up the space around me. So here are some of my favorite places to clear: the top of your desk. Purge old papers and handouts, things that you've printed that you're never going to go back to. Clean out your filing cabinet and make room in your filing cabinet for new clients, whether you use paper client folders or you use online client folders. Clear out the old to make room and energy and space for new. Always be sure to look at your floor. I know you out there that have your stacks of paper all over the floor in your office. Open your windows and clear out the space in your office. So, that is my assignment for you this week, is to put aside some time to create a clutter-free zone for yourself. Because I will tell you, when you are in a space that has a lot of clutter, the clutter is always distracting you from your bigger purpose. The clutter also creates a stagnant energy. So, anytime you clean out and clear out, you are making space for anew. Now, is this a marketing strategy? You may think not, but I think it really is, because the clearer that you keep the space around you, the clearer that you can think and move your business forward by doing the things that are going to help you expand your reach. So, that is my assignment for you this week, my friends. Do you accept this challenge? If you do, let me know in the comments below. Let me know, what are you committed to clearing out? Your office, your files, the paperwork that's on the floor, perhaps your closet. This is another great thing to do when you are trying to evolve yourself as a abundant business owner, especially my ladies out there. The version of you that you are trying to become. For example, would she be wearing the clothes that she is wearing now? Would she be wearing the shoes that she is wearing now? Begin to align with that version of you now as you become the version of you that you are trying to become. This is all part of our acting as if. And acting as if usually starts with the space that you are working in and out of. So, if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any upcoming episodes. And let me know in those comments below, what space are you going to make sure that you clear out this week so that you can make space and room for anew? Until next week, my friends, have a great day.